A milling tool with 4 corners for small diameter high feed machining, Hfmd. A milling tool for small diameter high feed machining, Hfmd ensures excellent productivity with more corners and higher feed. Hfmd with 4 corners is an economic tool and ensures high productivity with its slender shape, clamping more inserts. Hfmd realizes superb machinability, applying high rake angle and helix cutting edge to decrease resistance. The color and shape of chip after Hfmd machining show decrease of cutting resistance. Hfmd applies wedge-shaped clamping system supporting flank surface of insert, wide clamping side, and strong screws. This structure of Hfmd clamping system increases clamping force, prevents chipping and fracture, and decreased vibration and noise in machining. The powerful clamping force of Hfmd prevents fracture in high-feed machining and ensures stable machinability. Hfmd has 3 lineups of chip breakers as ML for hard-to-cut material machining, MF for light cutting, and MM for general machining, and 3 lineups of holders as shank, cutter, and modular type. The slender-shaped Hfmd clamping more inserts ensures high productivity in facing. Optimal design of Hfmd to decrease cutting resistance realizes various kinds of machining and high machinability. Especially, the strong clamping force ensures excellent machinability, even in helical machining with high cutting load. A milling tool with 4 corners for small diameter high feed machining, Hfmd.